Hi, it's Carl here with a sore throat, but today we'll be going over 70 trees. This is just a quick flyby really, just have a quick look, and then I'll be going tree by tree, showing you what I've got in my collection. These have all been bought in the UK obviously, and should be fairly commonly available, most of them at least, all over the world. So why would you watch this? Well, perhaps because you've got a list that you're compiling of trees that you want to look for. As you can see here, there's a lot of very different Japanese maples, and it's nice to kind of get a balanced and varied collection in terms of colour, leaf shape, etc. So perhaps grab a notepad and take some notes of some trees that you might enjoy, or maybe you've got trees that you've lost the labels to. This will help you identify them. So if you buy a very small plant, it's very difficult to see how they're going to behave in terms of habit, their shape. So hopefully this will be a great guide for you, something you'll come back to and help you decide on your next Japanese maple.
Hi there maple fans, and in this series of videos I'll be sharing what I do throughout an entire year on a monthly basis. Please note that these months are based on UK timings, but of course can easily be adapted to anywhere else in the world. And just to say, if you'd like to come with me on my Acer journey, please do like and subscribe to my little channel. It really helps. I've also recently set up a Patreon site, so that's a great way of supporting me too, and help out with some of the costs of my excursions really. There's also the offer of some personal help if you'd like it, either in a group format or on a one-to-one basis.